What's going on, everybody? It's NQ Trader back again. We're back again with another trade recap video. Traded my Apex accounts. Today was day seven. Um, Day seven Apex accounts, and I'm gonna pull up the stats here. Got my trade journal from TradeZella. Much better day today. Um, I didn't. So today, my mindset, even though I took that loss yesterday. Um, which, yeah, I could have had a winner. Could have had a 5K winner yesterday, but I blew it all at the open. We know how that goes. I was full tilt. Um, but today I had a clearer mindset. Um, I basically went back to the basics, man. Back to the basics, and I was done. Let me see if I could pull up the stats for yesterday. Okay, here we go. We got six trades. I went 100%, didn't take any losses in this account, in these Apex accounts. We took six trades, made 2K, $18 in fees and commissions. Longest trade, it took me about 5 minutes. Like if those who saw it on stream, it was quick, it was efficient, it was really good trading. I was a little impatient at times, but I kept myself grounded and said, no, wait for the setups, wait for watch your levels. Myself and my trading partner, we called out levels on our live stream just perfectly. Everything was just beautiful, beautiful. So the Apex, like I said, longest trade time, 4 minutes, 38 seconds, 4.5 minutes. And I didn't even go heavy size in these. I only took six trades on 12 contracts. So these was just like one and two contracts. And normally I would go heavier size and step up to kind of capitalize and make more money, take advantage, and try to pull out a little bit more profit. But today I was just like, no, I'm gonna keep it clean, stay focused. We're not gonna have another day like yesterday. So if we go back to the calendar and pull up these trades, just clean, simple trading, simple back to the basic trading. Like, look at this chart. This is the intraday P&L. Like, we got up to 1,000, then we were kind of flat, then we broke 2K, and then I just cut the day. Said, you know what? I'll take that. I basically made back what I lost yesterday, plus a little bit of extra profit. But I needed that. I needed that a day like that to kind of as a confidence builder, if you will. Because after going tilt, you kind of second guess yourself, after, especially if you don't talk it out. That's why it's always good to have community, have a partner, if you can, have a community to talk this stuff out with, because it can eat at you and it can have negative effects going into the next session. So today's session, I threw yesterday completely out of my mind. I was just like, you know what? It is what it is. You can't change the past, but you can change how you trade in the future. So, and that's what I did. Like I said, I was caught the longs. Like I said, if we looked at the charts, if I was really, really patient, so I think this here kind of got me out. This candle here, this is the 5 minute chart, by the way. So I think this here kind of kept me from holding. And just, yeah, if I would have held, man, look at all this profit, all these points. But like I said, I was trying to keep it light, keep it simple. I wasn't trying to go, you know, heavy. I just trying to get that confidence back. And because you know what you like, I know what I'm doing. You know what you're doing. You just gotta, I had to take it back to the basics. So I was one, two contracts, real light, and just playing the levels. So if we look at these, first trade at 832, Just a little base hit. Second trade, 33, got back in long. Few minutes later, long. We're riding these longs up, but I'm also trailing my profit, just in case. So let's see here. Let's load it up. Like I said, one contract caught 7 points. I wasn't playing any games. I was being real disciplined today because I'm not trying to have a day like yesterday, a repeat day. So all in all, these were 5-star trades. 5-star trades. Like I said, first one 7 points. Let me see. That was yesterday. First one 7 points. Second one, I don't think I went over 2 contracts in these accounts, maybe 3. But yeah, 2 contract trade caught 24 points. Um, solid trading. And we were looking for all longs because we were looking. Um, man, I didn't take any screenshots, so I can't really say. If I wish I would have took the screenshots on my charts. That way I can actually show you. But yeah, we were just looking to play certain levels. So we open. Looking at the pre-market, you see support here. There was support here. There was really no reason, no logical reason to go lower. So we had our long bias, but obviously the market can do whatever it wants. But we had our long biases. We played the levels that was presented to us at the time, and we called. There was one area that we called. I think it was 825 to 830 was a potential level that we were looking at for resistance, for it to like go against us. So let me see. This is pre-market or aftermarket. This is the 1,000 tick chart. Let's take it back to 830 open. All right, so 830 open. Yeah, so market opens. It's going back and forth. Like I said, I wait a few minutes. I let all this play out to try to see really where it's going. And where did we hop in? What time did it say we hop in? 33. So 8:33:12 is where I hopped in my first trade. 8:33:12. Second trade 8:33:26. So I caught that one contract. Then it came in 2 more contracts. One contract 7 points. 2 contracts 24 points. Um, Another 2 contracts for 21 points. Just catching points basically. Doing what I do, doing what we do. We catch points over here, you know. And usually we catch like the minimum is 20 points. We're getting minimum 20 points to anywhere from like 50, 60, 70 points at a time. Like we catch points over here. All of these were premium 5-star trades. Just perfect execution, perfect scaling in. Like if I chased a little bit, I'd scale in on the dip, and then because you just had this, all the signals were just telling you, all your indicators, all your signals, all your technicals was just telling you, yeah, this is going to continue going higher. Yeah, this next trade got in 846. 846, one contract, 15 points. Like I wasn't really playing no games. And like I said, I was entering my trades and then I was trailing them, setting up just to protect my gains. So some of the stuff, if I would have gotten out at the absolute high, um, could have made a little bit more profit. But like I said, I said when I set my stop losses, I set trailing stops. I give myself about 10, 15 points of being in profit, and then I'll set like maybe between a 5 to 6 point. If price is ripping in whatever direction, then I'll set like a 10 point stop loss, 10, 15 point stop loss, because just to give it enough room to kind of whip back and forth. But if you're like sure that of the direction that it's going in, you caught the right direction, yeah, I usually give it like a good maybe 10, 15 points because the NQ can, you know, whip back and forth. But yeah, and I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. That was all these trades for these Apex accounts. I did hop in. Let's see. I did hop in my Top Step, one of my Top Step accounts, one of my other Top Step accounts. Traded that. I could pull up. No, I can't pull up the data in the journal because I have a different. This is just for Apex, but I can pull up that account. Um, Let me see. I can pull up that account and show you all the stats in that. That one was clean in the beginning, clean trading in the beginning, and then I think I went in shorts. Yeah, I was in shorts, and then so caught my points going short, and then I tried to continue going short, not realizing that price was reversing. So I took a big loss, basically wiped out all the gains that I had made. Let's see if it'll load it though. Let's see. So I can show you guys the stats. But anyway, I ended up passing the account in 2 days. I can't load. They canceled the account. They took it out of there since I passed. Um, yeah. So these are the blown accounts that are still sitting in there. So my third account, I passed it, but they took it out since I did pass. So yesterday I made 4,500. Today I came in and made 4,500. Well, like I said, I didn't get a chance to take any screenshots, so I can't show you exactly where my entries and exits were. But basically, um, I think I caught, trying to see, it was probably around here. No, 10 o'clock, because those were the shorts. That's where, so I did catch, where did I get in at? 60. So yeah, I did catch this short, and I rode it all the way down to about, I think to 900, or I went in, I literally like caught the top. I was in at like 950, 959, 15959. I literally had one contract, went in, waited to see, because I was in a long around here, and then it was just doing too much consolidation within this small range. So I took whatever little profit, $80, whatever it was a small profit. I got out and I just watched it consolidate, and like I said, I literally caught the top of this. I think the highest it went was 960. I shorted at 959, 15959. One contract, so went in one contract, and then once it started really breaking down, I added in heavy. I went in heavy, added five contracts, you know, started to scale out the one, took that profit, let the other five contracts ride a little bit. Then I trailed it, got out of that. And I think I was up about 3K, and then I saw it again, pull back, and I hopped in again, short. And this was a big old a momentum move. It was a momentum move, and I caught that, rode it all the way down. I think I scaled in like 10 contracts, and then hit my profit target, my daily profit, and passed the account. So yeah, I was short. So here's where it was. I was short initially here at the 930 level, because that was resistance from I think yesterday, but I was short here, caught this. This was a good trade, caught the short, and then I tried to keep going short, not realizing it. So I let this win against me. I think, yeah, I was short. Like after I made my money from this initial short going down, then I tried to short the bottom because I thought it was going to continue going down to touch at least VWAP. Didn't happen. Um, so I'm in my shorts. I think three contracts total. It goes against me, and then I think I reverse around 9:20, 9:19, 9:20. I reverse my trade, so you can hit that reverse and cancel. So it'll cancel your short and it'll reverse it and go long. So I did that around this level, and yeah, caught all that up. I was looking for 950. We broke 950, and I think I exited like right here, right near the top. Then it pulls back, bounces. I took another long, and that's when I was like, this I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Went in one contract, and then the rest is history. So yeah. So I don't have, like I said, I don't have my screenshot of the exact entries and exits, but I remember this movement here. These candles I remember. So yeah, that's what happened past that. Um so now I got one more Top Step account that I need to trade that I didn't get to trade, so we'll trade that one in the morning, and hopefully we can pass that one. And then just waiting on them to give me my express funded account. And yeah, then I'll be resetting the others. And of course, we're going to trade my Apex accounts. So I just want to get through this little quick trade day recap, day 7 with the Apex accounts. We passed the Top Step account, so we're waiting on to get that XFA, and then we'll be trading another Top Step eval to hopefully pass on the second day, hit the 4,500 profit target. Appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And I stream every day at the open. I'm in a little bit pre-market, watching levels, setting up my charts. But I live stream my trading with myself and my trading partner. His name's Tyrone. We've been trading together. So little backstory. We met in the military, we're both veterans. Um, Come to find out, once we got out and did our own thing, somehow we got in contact with each other again. Come to find out, we were both trading. Um, I traded options for a little while, and yeah, we just reconnected. And I talked about futures. He's like, "Oh, you trade futures? I trade futures." I'm like, "Yeah, that's what's up. All right, let's let's get it. Let's trade together then." And we've been doing that ever since for about 2 or 3, going on 3 years now. So yeah, like I said, appreciate y'all tuning in. Join us again for the live stream in the morning. We live stream every day, our trading. And yeah, let's get it. Stay profitable, everybody. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thanks. Catch y'all in the morning.